Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Right, I was walking back from the shops the other day and I found something that somebody threw out and it's pretty cool. Check this out. It's this really nice little console table. Now it's a bit weathered on the top, but otherwise it's perfectly fine. And I bought it in knowing that it would fit this wall quite nicely, and in fact it creates a nice flow of energy from the kitchen into the living room, you know, very feng shui. And it fits the wall perfectly, but the one thing it's suffering from is this profile in the wall is leaving us with this very antisocial gap here. But I'm going to make a shelf to fit in there, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to secure it so that I don't in fact damage this in any way. Check it out. I'm in the workshop using the tools. Let's see if I'm able to make a piece to fill the gap in the console table. When this is over, I hope you can say that I have made something nice. Now I'm using measurements to keep my work precise. Countersink to cover the screws, keep them discreet. Then I'm gonna finish with Danish oil to make the design neat. Oh yeah! Alright, so we've got this little shelf which I made with that profile, so it fits perfectly behind the console table in there. And what I'm going to use to hold these two together is a little 2-inch G-clamp. Check it out. Profile fits perfectly into that nook in the table. We get our G-clamp and we just tighten it up. Make sure that's square and flush. Good and tight. And see how the table now fits perfectly, with this space usable as well. So guys, that shows just how useful G-clamps can be even in a domestic setting. In fact, yesterday I found these really pretty clamps in my local hardware store, and if you combine them with a simple frame, it's just a butt joint oak frame that I made, you can make bookends. So here I am in my bedroom using this technique on my shelf. And I actually prefer it to traditional bookends because they're not as heavy and they don't take up as much space on the shelf as a normal bookend would. Now this video is just to show how G-clamps can be used in a domestic setting. You know, they hold some good weight without putting permanent damage or marks onto your belongings. And if it's at all your thing, they actually provide a very nice industrial aesthetic. So G-clamps, useful things that can be used outside the workshop and in the home as well. I hope you guys found this video useful. Use this method if you will, and take care.